The Lite-Check Verifier system. It's an inspection system that lets you complete inspections in less time with more data and fewer errors. It saves time through custom inspections that contain everything you want and nothing you don't for each trailer type or tractor. Custom inspections are inspections that are tailored to a manager's needs. They establish what items are going to appear on the tablet for the technician to check, and descriptions of each item. The process is amazingly simple. The system automatically reads ABS, air, and circuit data while the technician performs their inspection simultaneously. The tablet app quickly guides technicians around the trailer and ensures nothing is skipped. During your inspection, you can take pictures that will show up on your report. Upon completion of an inspection, data is sent to the cloud and is instantly available on the manager's computer. It gives access to more data through the Fleet Management Cloud and through the trailer interface. Every shop location pushes data to the cloud repository in real time. The reports show detailed information, such as when an inspection was performed, the duration, and a list of out-of-service items, if any. Because the system reads most data directly and sends it to the cloud, there's no need to enter data manually, dramatically reducing errors. The optional tire tool quickly and accurately measures tread depth and air pressure, and sends that data back to the tablet, leaving brake shoe thickness and brake stroke as the only manual measurements subject to error. If you're interested in the Verifier system, how it saves you time, and how much money it'll save you, give us a call.